Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Professor Dr. Zurina Shafi'i, the leader of the team who is committed to pursue for the development of Islamic banking simulation project. The proposed project has been built up from our commercialized TRL9 product, which is Muamalah Interactive Game, where we have the industry and community edition that was commercialized and ready to be upskilled in the next project that we have in mind to provide the solution to the training of Islamic banking and finance through the Islamic banking simulation. In addition to the serious game developed through the Muamalah Interactive Game, the Faculty of Economics and Muamalat has invested on a physical facilities that emulates the branch operation of an Islamic bank. And to complete this project, for the for it to be commercialized an Islamic banking simulation system, the team needs to work further to develop the system that is the software for Islamic banking simulation, which is the application is all about. Islamic banking simulation is a project to use of simulation technique based on contracts and banking operation available in Muamalat Interactive Game, board game that where the participants or where the learners are to experience actual Islamic bank management process and banking system. The simulation is a tool that has been commonly used to assist with system analysis, and it is widely used in the banking system. However, the input of simulation bank used in Islamic banking industry has never reached students and trainees in Islamic bank. Besides the confidentiality of the banking data, the banking system is more complex. Therefore, to date, no Islamic banking simulation has ever been developed in the ecosystem of Islamic banking education in Malaysia. And the need for the Islamic finance industry to address the challenges related to human resources capacity building is critical. Hence, alternative educational program must be innovated. As such, it is timely for an innovation in learning of Islamic banking via simulation program to be developed, and for Islamic banking ecosystem there is a dire need for the simulation bank, since Islamic bank operates under multiple activities and processes, and simulation bank project is an effort to enhance the teaching and learning delivery of Islamic finance. It will be an alternative to the existing framework where Islamic finance delivery activities are based on conventional method of teaching. That is lack of hands-on and interactive process involved in the knowledge transfer process. Thus, it is critical that Islamic banking simulation to be developed. And the proposal aims and objective of this project is the first one is to upscale the MIG board game into an Islamic bank digital system for users in community and banking sectors. And next is to validate the Islamic banking simulation system developed based on user acceptance. And thirdly is to commercialize the Islamic banking simulation system. And who will benefit from this application? This application caters the component of quintuple helixes, where the multiple stakeholders will be benefiting from this proposal or from this project that we are proposing. The first one is the Institute of Higher Learnings, where we have 20 public universities, 35 polytechnics and 105 community colleges who are involved in the Islamic finance education. And apart from public higher education initiative, there are 434 private higher education institutions in Malaysia, divided into 4 different groups, 54 universities, 39 university colleges, 331 colleges and 10 international branch campuses. And in terms of programs, there are 217 Islamic education programs provided by 12 public universities, 40 private higher institutions and 10 public higher education institutions. And this market is huge enough to tap into to boost financial literacy and to develop human capital in Islamic finance. not only in Malaysia, but we have also potential worldwide. Because other than Malaysia, the Islamic banking simulation can be introduced or expanded to other countries which become the key providers of Islamic finance education, where these jurisdictions include Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, Pakistan, UAE, to name a few. And secondly, the major stakeholders for this project is the industry network who are working in Islamic banking, finance, wealth management, where the current collaboration that we have within the faculty is the collaboration with the Association of Sharia Advisors in Islamic Finance, ASAS, Islamic Banking and Finance Institute Malaysia, IPFIM, Amani Academy, Association of Islamic Banking and Financial Institutions, IBIM. And thirdly, the third major stakeholder is the civil society, where we have collaboration with Khadijah International Wakaf Foundation as a Wakaf Foundation that are working with financial literacy and Islamic wealth management. And we have work in collaboration with Kementerian Pelajaran Malaysia and other NGOs and foundations as well. And fourthly, the stakeholders, major stakeholders that will be benefit from this application is government agencies and regulators. We have current network with PTPTN, MARA, Suruhanjaya Koperasi, and Malaysia Institute of Accountants, who we are providing the trainings and also expertise on advisory as well. So what we have in terms of the results or impact of this application is that we will be developing the Islamic banking simulation, including the modules, case studies, and in order to promote an engaging learning tool via Islamic banking simulation that we have talked about, and a practical banking system through the upscaling of Muamalah Interactive board game. And from this, we will be able to have a market-ready professional that are equipped with practical skill and networking opportunities and also industry insight, ready to contribute effectively to the Islamic banking sector. And secondly, we have the we aim, the impact will be the establishment and strengthening of collaborative partnership to enhance the ongoing academic and industry cooperation. And we are confident, inshallah, to be able to upscale the project through the development of Islamic banking simulation with the commitment garnered with the industry and the strength of the team and the industry collaborative partner in terms of the technical and the financial support. Inshallah, will result to a simulation exercise that promotes hands-on experiential learning for relevant stakeholders, as I highlighted just now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.